Hello creative friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Heather with The Myriad Maker. Today I'm taking you along the journey with me as I build out some drawer inserts for some drawer units that are in my studio. These are something I bought a few years ago from IKEA, spent a decent amount of money on them, and I was really frustrated to find that the sidewalls and back of each drawer are only about 3 inches tall. So, I mean, the drawers themselves are 5.5 inches tall and 7 inches tall. The two bottom ones are 7 inches tall. All the other ones are 5.5 inches tall. So with only a 3-inch sidewall, stuff was falling out all the time. So really frustrating. I spent the last couple years kind of looking for some type of off-the-shelf drawer insert that I could just put in there, and wasn't able to find anything. Had a lot of kind of less than perfect solutions, and finally just decided, as I was looking at this kind of mountain of scrap cardboard that was going into recycling, I thought, well, I could just cut these apart and actually create my own. So that's what I did. So a few things that I just want to call out here. So I built these with a double layer of cardboard. So I cut everything to size and just hot glued it together just so they would be super sturdy. I'm using a roll of adhesive packing tape to cover up the edges and make a nice clean finish. And as I calculated all the measurements, with the width of the cardboard doubled up like that, I calculated about a 1/4 inch. So, you know, if you're doing something similar, just keep in mind that you need to account for the width of the box itself as you are constructing it so that it'll fit in your drawer. here's the final results. For the smaller drawer, I did 3 box inserts, and as you can see, they fit very snug and they fill up the space nicely and afford me a lot more storage opportunities in that drawer. And they go all the way to the top, maybe just a skosh too tall, but it works. And then the bottom one, I just did 2 big boxes. Let me know in the comments if you want any more details about my process. I'm happy to answer any of your questions. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time.